guys, welcome to Mommy's Little Rat. Guess what?
I found a surprise dollhouse
In Walmart. And it was on a clearance aisle. So go check out these boxes. So we're not sure if if this is completed, but you know what? Let's see if it has everything on it. And we got it for 50% off. Yeah, let's see. We're going to unbox this today. And all right, guys, we are back. We have everything set up on the table.
Yep.
So we are ready to build our LOL dollhouse. First, here's the instruction how to build, and I got all the pieces over here. So let's see
how to build this right here.
Here you go. Adult assembly required. It's required adult. Okay. First, we need A.
These are these small pieces. It has a sticker on it. So
Okay.
make sure what letter it is by checking if there's a sticker.
All right. And we have
B.
Okay.
Our B in the house. Where's the sticker? Oh, B in the house. B.
So Avery, you hold that on that side.
A or B? A.
That's A, and I hold this over here. Then we have, it comes with the screw. Make sure it's straight. Other side. Excuse me, move a little bit more.
So while I'm unscrewing it, we got this from Walmart on the clearance aisle. I think just
We hope we have everything.
yeah, we hope we have everything. We have every letter, everything in the box, because this box was a little bit torn. The box was a little bit torn.
Okay, now we need C. Where's the C?
Right here. This is C.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure this is C. Pretty sure this is C. Pretty sure you put it like that, Ma. Like that? Okay. My mom's doing so hard work. Look how much progress we made. It's so tall. I think this goes inside. The D, I think D goes inside. This is like this D. This is D.
All right, excuse me, darling.
I think D goes inside of here. Do you think
D
so, Mom?
is, yep, that's correct.
House, right? Yes! Woohoo!
This is the D. It goes on the top.
This is where all the sandbox go in the pool. Yep. Need any screwing in the house? Need any screwing in the house? Need any screwing? We put it like that, or that. Go here, like that, like that, like that, like that. Whoa, look at this. This is where we put the jacuzzi for like the kids, and this is where we put the swimming pool for the big sisters, and that little circle over there, that's the sandbox. And this whole entire set in the moving truck has a dog and a big sister and a little sister.
And has all the furniture in the moving truck.
And it has the furniture. This is gonna get so possum. Possum.
Then you guys turn it around because you have to put some screw over here to the top.
Yeah, you need to put some screw. Oh, you dropped one. Whoa. She's turning it. My mom's turning it so fast.
All right. Next, we put this on the side. Then we need E and F.
E and F?
This is the E
Where's F?
It's in the top. This is F.
F? What's F?
And it looks like it goes right here. We're covered with all these styrofoams. And Avery, look at you. Ha ha ha.
Hey, my hair! We might lose it, and it might fall all apart like boom.
Okay, so the pictures is inside.
So that's inside.
Yeah.
You need a screw, Mom? You need a screw?
Yeah, give me 1 second.
You're gonna have to make these free. Oh, you're gonna have to make free.
Yeah, give me one.
So, these screws are very shiny. These screws are very shiny. Shiny.
Another one?
Another one? Screw. You can't screw it in.
Hopefully that will stay, but... Alright guys, we put this on the side. This on the side. And the next steps is we need 2 of the screws.
Screws.
Okay, and then
1,
we need
2.
we need I. What is this? This is
I'm pretty sure that's I.
that's G.
Okay.
We need H. This is H.
Where, is it the helicopter?
Yeah, no.
Oh, I remember this one. H is not the helicopter. I forgot it was not the helicopter.
I'm gonna put this on the side so you guys can see me. And let's see.
Oh, this
The question is, which door is gonna be?
the door.
Yeah, this one goes on the top. And
I didn't know it. I thought they would build. They already built it for us. I thought they put the building inside, but I was wrong.
oh, okay, this is the bathroom, so the bathroom goes here.
But that's sideways, Mom.
Yeah.
Is this supposed to be sideways?
Sideways for now because we're stone.
Oh yeah, I totally forgot. This is the floor. Now we're looking out. It's party here. We're having a party with Dollhouse. We're having a party with Dollhouse. We're having a party with Dollhouse.
Okay, then number 7 is
Number 7. What's number 7? 7.
we have to connect
8.
the number 5 and number 7 together, which is like this.
Oh, do you need some screws for that?
Yeah, I need 2 screws again.
2 screws. I already got 2 screws.
One at a time.
2 screws. 2 screws. I'm gonna get 3. Take a screw. Pick a screw. Which one is my Donald screw? Which one is my Donald screw? Donald screw. This one is my Donald screw. Someone use the screws. Someone use any of them. I bet this house is gonna look so glamorous. It's gonna look beautiful and glamorous. Mom? It's gonna look beautiful and glamorous.
Let's not get it while it's loose. The screw doesn't get tight.
Probably because you're a screwdriver.
So now we got this one, and we have to find V. Put it in the top. V. The V should be over here.
V?
Yeah.
Do you find it?
Oh, there's some milk in here.
There's some milk?
Yeah, that's one we're young. You can see it. Okay, you put this on the top, but my question
Where?
is that the picture's supposed to be
What letter is that?
V?
V? Oh, and the instructions.
All right, I'm back.
Look, where's back?
So let me finish this. We are on the letter V.
V.
Number 8.
Can I see the instructions, please?
Next, 9. Find the letter G.
G? Oh, this is letter G, Mom.
That's letter G, okay.
Yeah, G. That's G.
And put it in the middle.
We also need I. We need I too. Also.
Okay. Guys, it doesn't tell the which side that you're supposed to
Put it on.
put it on. It could be here or it could be here, but just use your common sense. On this side, it looks like a kitchen. And this side, it looks like a living room. So, of course, the kitchen has the trash and the recycle. So this goes that way.
Yeah.
Whoa. I have to take this around like this. So I have plenty of room to slide in. And this looks like a kitchen. So
kitchen? I love
goes
kitchens.
that way. Even me.
I love kitchens. Do anybody know I love to eat? Eating is one of my favorites. It's not even a subject. Well, I'm saying.
I think this is required 2 people, 2 adults to install this. Somebody has to hold this the other side. Alright. Push it every man.
Push what?
This is slide it. Yep, slide.
Yeah.
Go ahead, more.
This needs double hand.
There you go. Good job, give me 5, girl.
Teamwork. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
Teamwork.
Next is
Will the umbrella, will the elevators inside the truck?
I think so. You
Yeah,
think so?
yeah,
Okay.
it's in the truck.
Number 14.
Still elevator in the truck.
Okay, wait, that's R.
Yeah, where's
So-
R? Look how much progress we did. We did some very good progress right here. It's very good. We're gonna do some more progress. Yes.
All right. Okay. Now let's do on number.
We're on
The elevator is still on the special delivery truck.
yeah.
So we're gonna do on number 12,
That's
which
still
is
the
the R.
Where's R? Oh, there's R right there. Where do we put R? I don't think it doesn't tell you on the picture. I don't think
And
it
14.
I don't
Okay.
think it tells you.
Where's the other part?
Part of what?
Oh, here you are. So we have to do this
Later.
later because the elevator is still in the box.
Yeah.
So next steps is
13.
number 13. We need
P. This is
T.
P. T.
S
And
and
P.
P. So go like this. Hold it over May. And put the T in here. I believe it should be like this. And this with this screwdriver.
I got that one. Oh, the other one's not supposed to be very good.
Okay. And S.
Not sure what S goes. What's the restriction? Okay. I'm not sure. Not sure if that. Let's go. Look under instructions. What?
Maybe this will be here because of tile.
Tile. Ow.
Sorry.
That's okay. Probably this is the outside. I'm just saying probably. 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 Right. Mommy, you put the S there. Very mature. Mature. Very mature. Very mature. Okay, Mom. Did you notice the R goes somewhere here, Mom? Did you notice? Are you done?
Next.
This R.
No, leave it there. We can't do that one yet.
Yeah, but it has to be screwed here. It has to be screwed.
Has to be screwed
Yeah. But how are we going to put on the elevator?
later, I guess.
Yeah, I guess later.
Okay, you know what?
What?
We have to put the elevator because once we put this over here, we won't be able to attach the elevator. Okay. Okay, go ahead, push it.
See? I got it.
And then this is the part of the elevator which is the bottom.
That's the part of the elevator. Buttons? Is that the buttons?
The bottom, the lock.
Oh, the lock?
Yeah.
I didn't know this elevator need a lock.
Yeah. Oh Lord.
I got it. What do you mean number 2?
The type of screwdriver here.
Screw? The teeny screwdriver? The teeny screw?
Yeah, this one.
Teeny tiny screw. So small than the others.
Okay, that one is all set, and then now we can connect these two together.
Yahoo!
The number 12
and 11. Wait,
and
12
13
Oh, 12 and 13. I
to
thought-
make it 14.
To make 14 get on my
Okay, let me hold that for me, darling.
We're having a hard time figuring this out.
Okay, hold it.
No, I have to-
Watch your head.
Okay, another screw just in case. Oh, look out. Gotta make sure it's not lost. In here. I found that you always need all your screws. Because if you lost a screw, or wooden one screw, it wouldn't work. Right on? What's good?
Alright, that's all set.
Yep, the elevator is all set.
You put this on the side. Excuse me, love.
Yeah.
Next, 15, which is the KHV.
With
This
the
one right here. And
The elevator. First, we need to put the elevator.
this together, which is on this side. Oh Lord. Okay, because it has to be locked on this side too. Right, excuse me. Alright.
I'm up here. And I'm scared. I need to get down. How am I gonna get down? Is that elevator? Yoo-hoo! There's the elevator. Oh, I used to run the elevator. You guys know where I am? You can comment down below. You can comment down below where I'm hiding. You can comment down below where I'm hiding.
Make sure you get lost in your screwdriver.
You mean screws?
Yes,
Nope.
screws.
Nope, I didn't lost any. Mom,
Okay.
I got one in. Giddy up, let's go. Let's finish the show. Giddy up, let's go. Let's finish the show. Giddy up, let's go. Let's finish the show. There's a little charger plug right here. Little charger plug. Oh, there's another one over here. And one here, there's like a cord connected with this lights. Feelings! Oh, I got it.
Then we need the cue. Where's the cue? Here's the cue. Here. And then,
A palm tree.
yep, this. You slide it
Slide it where?
this side.
Like that? That doesn't make any sense. Be happy, be happy, be happy, happy. Always be happy, happy, happy. Always be happy. Always
Alright. Okay, next because I am having a hard time.
You want some help? You know what kind of help I can give you? Horseback riding.
Evelyn, you're not helping.
That's how I help. Giddy up. Let's go. Let's finish the show. Mom, I'm talking to you. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Let's go. Let's finish the show. This time, giddy up. I can't wait for this to be finished already. Hurry, hurry, hurry. What's that CK, Mom? That looks like a school CK. Mom, look, there's one more screw that I need to do. Screw do. Is that a wrong screw? Do screw? Tap that. Tap it. Or TT. T right. T right. T right. There we go. Tap it. Hey, we're back to bed. What are you doing, Mom?
All right, we need the other leather, which is in the side.
What's this other leather?
Is it right there?
What's this other leather?
This one?
The stairs?
Yeah, the stairs. According to this one,
We need stairs.
you do like this. All right. That's
Good. Yeah, that's very. Oh, that's a staircase. That's a staircase. That's a staircase. Woohoo! That's a staircase up there.
so that one is done.
Yeah, this is good.
Okay, let's go number 18, which is L. Go find that L.
Let me find it. Let me find it.
Take this one.
Yeah, I think it's that one. I'm pretty sure it's that one. Is it that L?
Yeah. This is the L.
Follow the instructions. For instance. Look at iPad newspaper. Newspaper. Oh.
Okay, hold that one.
Can you please give me a screw, Mom? Mom, put it back up. Try again. Mom, you're gonna break it. You're gonna break it. Can I please have a screw?
To do what?
Because there's. Wait. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Never mind, you don't need a screw on this part.
All right, now we're doing 19, which is we're looking for J and N.
Oh,
This is J.
that's the entrance door.
Yeah, that's the letter J. And we need M. This is the letter M.
Where'd that go?
So this one, you put this over here.
Over where?
At the back.
I think that's like the entrance door in exit door. Do you
Yeah,
think so?
like this.
Wait, I think that's the entrance and exit. On the instructions. Mom, what number are we on again? Mom,
Show me the book.
what number are we on?
We are on 19.
19? 19. Okay. We screwed them together.
Okay, that's done. And then we are moving to number 20.
20.
The top.
Up there. Wait, I think the stair go like this part goes here. Oh, let's see. Still go. We're not almost done already. Ooh. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We only need 10 more steps. Ugh. This is not easy as I thought.
Alright. After I had a trouble installing this one over here, but I finally got it.
Yep.
Now we have to put a screw here. Don't loosen the screw.
Okay.
So what's next step?
We need the instructions. We're on 22. We're on 22 and put letter N.
Put N on the top. Alright guys, we have our letter N. What are you doing? Why are you walking in the table?
Sorry.
With your slippers on.
Sorry.
She's crazy. So this is the letter N, and make sure the helicopter high top is on the top, okay?
All the way at the top. The top. O. Yes, O.
Oh, oh,
No,
oh.
no O. O's right here.
Alright. The O is supposed to slide this.
Slide the book. Can you give me the instructions?
No, Avery, I still need that. And
Then I'm gonna get up.
in.
Mom, we're almost done.
Yes, we're almost done.
Mom,
We need the camera fixed.
we need the camera fixed.
Where's your daddy?
I don't know. Let me go look.
That's alright, I can fix it. We're getting so high and so high, so let me fix the camera so you guys can see it.
Yep.
Here you go.
We put. I'm up here. We're like on a mountaintop.
Oh, I'm gonna climb over here too.
Hey, that's my part. Mom, this is a little bit loose over here.
Yeah, don't, because they're not very.
No, there's no screws over here.
Yeah, hold on. Some of the holes doesn't require those screws.
Yeah. So... Over here's no screwed, Mom.
Hold on, Avery. Okay, excuse me, darling. Let me go on that side.
Okay. Can't wait to put all the furniture. Mom, only this means one more. Is only one more screw, Mom? Or what's in here? We need some parts here.
Okay, what's next? Long piece, which is the letter U, and this is supposed to cover this side, I think.
You sure? I can see what it looks like. Yes, up here, copy. Helicopter, there's a helicopter stand. No one's standing on to get taller. Hello, let's get
So
fine.
this this is step number 23. And this is the lower U.
I'm scared of
This
heights.
one is on the top. And you require 10 screws.
10? That's a lot.
Let me see if I have 10 over here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My mom's right. It does require 10 screws.
Just let me do it every minute because I am scared you might lose one and then boom, we're doomed.
Then we're doomed?
We're doomed.
That's not true. We're not doomed. We only need one more to go. One more screw. Use the screw. Oh, all the steps are for the... Okay, we're going to use that last one. Okay, we don't need this last one, Mom. Wait, do we need this last one? No, wait. You guys, leave a comment down below.
You don't have to do that.
Leave a comment down below here. Where you go. Does it go here? Does it kind of go in the loop? No, it doesn't go there. Nope. I'm pretty sure I put this here.
Okay.
Hard to put it in. Can I have some help, please? There. Now I put this one right here. I put that one here. I think this glass thingies are for your safety.
Right.
That's good.
Good job.
Can I,
Then now we're on the pool.
the pool, yay, the pool. Oh, but the pool's in the moving van.
Right here.
No, but the actual pool's in the moving van.
All right.
To finish the rest of the part, I'm gonna put this window over here.
And then what about here?
I'm not sure if there's any window for
Right
that.
there. This one.
Oh, I found a window. I found a window. There is a window. Oh, I put it from.
Right here.
Oh, I put it like that.
All right, here you go. We are done installing our LOL dollhouse. And look at that. It came out beautiful. We don't have any furniture yet. That is gonna be on our next video. And here you go. And that's how you install the doll
house.
House.
LOL house. This LOL
All right.
house.
See you guys later.
Bye.